Hey everyone, welcome to Cricut Time. If you like this video, subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut. For today's tutorial, I will show you how to use your Cricut to make these cute pantry labels for your jars. I picked up these jars from the dollar store, and I want to label them to use for sugar and flour. If you want vinyl to stick onto glass, you need to prep the area by cleaning it with an alcohol swab. This removes any dust and oils that might be on the glass. I'll just clean both of these and put them off to the side to let them dry. I'll start by cutting out some permanent vinyl. Put it on a green mat and use the brayer to make sure it's stuck down smoothly. Pop it into your machine and let it work its magic. Grab your weeder tool and pull off the background. Cut out a piece of transfer paper a little bit bigger than your design. Use your scraper tool to stick the vinyl to the transfer paper. Then flip it over and peel off the backing. My jar tried to roll away on me, so I just put a few lids here to keep it still. Grab your vinyl, line it up into position, and when you're happy with the placement, stick it on. Use the scraper tool to stick the vinyl really well to the jar. Carefully peel off the transfer paper, and then repeat the same process for the second jar. These jars are done and ready to fill up. Because I prepped the glass properly and used permanent vinyl, I don't need to worry about the vinyl lifting or coming off at all. The jars do need to cure for about 3 days before I wash them, and then after that, they are good to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more project ideas and tutorials on all things Cricut.